we don't talk about that, but I don't feel that good. But this game updated, and I didn't make a video about it, but I did make a video about it, but I haven't posted it yet, so I'm gonna post it with this video, and this is the newest update. They added additions for this new character, for this, well, not new character, but for this early access character. I will put the footage of the last update first in the video. So yeah. But Silent Mist got a new addition, so he got have a awakening. I don't know. Okay. I don't forget. This is my favorite finisher I ever seen in my life, bro. Look at this. Raw! Then the impact frames. It's insane. But yeah, I think he has a awakening, so let me build it. Wait a minute. First, I'm gonna see if this move while I finish it now. Okay. Does it have a finisher? It doesn't. Oh! Hold on. Oh my god, this is awesome. This music is crazy. Wide cut. I went to swim. I had to swim. Ooh, wait, this is actually cool. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. Yo. Oh my gosh. This actually looks it wasn't that expected, but this is good. This is actually good. I think that was it. I'm gonna check, and that probably is it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to be doing double post because today Jump Showdown also updates. Yeah, this is gonna be a busy day for me because I gotta post 2 videos. And on top of that, I gotta post another video because I feel like the other update for this game, I think I should just make it like a separate video. So I gotta post 3 videos. Let me see the wicked animation one more time because I was coughing so much. Okay, let me check this one more time because there's no finisher. Okay, there's no finisher. I don't got no problem with that. Alright, one more time. Oh, yo. They cooked on this thumbnail. Oh my gosh, I missed the screenshot. Oh my gosh. L thumbnail. Wide cut and shit. That's easy, right? So you basically just start cutting. Ooh, wait, did the range get burst? Oh, wait. One more time. Wait. Oh, wait, is the range always like this? It's like good. Wait, does it have a custom rock combo too?